JCLPS convener Khomram Ratan remanded to judicial custody for 15 days. Education Minister Ratan Kumar says fund constraint prevents development of schools and colleges. BJP alleges involvement of Congress ministers and MLAs in the violation of recruitment process. And people threaten to boycott MLA Meghachandra if construction of power substation in Yaripok school compound is not halted. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Former convener of JCLPS Khomram Ratan has been remanded to judicial custody for 15 days. Khomram Ratan was produced in the court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class, Imphal West at Lamphel Part at 12 in the noon today in connection with the hearing of wanted theft, destruction of public property in the ILPS stir and other cases. At the hearing, counsel of Ratan requested the court for bail on the ground of his health problems. His counsel said there is no provision for arrest of a person based on photo uploaded on social networking sites in the Information Technology Act. On the other hand, government prosecutor said that the photo uploaded on Facebook has been found authentic and requested for 15 days judicial remand for destruction of public property in the ILPS stir. Later, around 1:30 p.m., the judge remanded Ratan to 15-day judicial custody. Protesters outside the court gate shouted slogans demanding release of Ratan without any condition and implementation of the ILPS in the state. It may be recalled that Khomram Ratan was arrested by police at Kaisampat, Lembajam Laikai on the 17th of this month while taking part in the relay hunger strike of the JCLPS. He was earlier remanded to police custody for 9 days.
Ulaganda ay miyamgi yeromi kanbagi yang sung na miyamgi tong yo sung dai saru khone yagane bi thaju thani hoje amon da siriba na dum irrigation ni nasi ai kota ai kapation sen bi de num irrigation ni athu bida ulaganda miyam ta telakanda miyam ga punna saru ya bi tanda ai sena lawo ne bi thaju dum thambi thamjare yang sung miyam da ai dong ta lepiu.
Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar today maintained that it is very difficult to meet the needs of the schools and colleges in the state due to budgetary constraint. Speaking at the 65th Foundation Day of Imphal College, Dr. Ratan Kumar admitted that most schools and colleges still face the issue of lack of infrastructure including shortage of teachers, library, laboratory and toilet. He said these problems cannot be solved in time due to lack of funds. The minister, however, assured that he will try his best to provide maximum assistance for the development of Imphal College, which has produced a number of outstanding students and good administrators. Nauria Pakhanglapa MLA R.K. Anand, who also attended the event, described the 65-year-old Imphal College as one of the best colleges in the state. He also assured that he will extend all possible help for the development of the college as it is located in his assembly constituency. The Foundation Day Celebration Committee organized the event at Jubilee Hall of the college. Meritorious students were also presented with prizes on the occasion.
Budget allocation around 3 crores hill and valley. And a hill is a the park is 2 crores something. Government college, aided college in the hardly 5 lakhs tagi hena pona de masina akoi gi leiriba awat pasing ji de koi na khangba masi gi tawga da mayam ji de koi na uba leiriba koi gi budget ki constraints hai masina maram or kana koi na tawga da masi yamna koi gi yamna difficult position da ma leiba Imphal college gi wene ji masi yamna laibu phamne na hiding oza sing na su yamna tawba ya ba koi gi mayam ma tawri masi department ki site gi su government ki site gi su masi tawba ya ba maximum level da ai tawna ko hona jar ke.
BJP Manipur Pradesh today alleged that the Congress government is involved in the violation of rules in the recruitment of Manipur police constables held in 2013. The government has cancelled the recruitment due to the irregularities and ordered fresh recruitment. Speaking to media persons at the BJP office at Nitepa Juthek, BJP State Executive Member and former Minister Dr. Nimai Chan Luang said the decision to cancel the recruitment is a very cheap tactic of the government to cover up its wrongdoing and challenge that involvement of Congress ministers and MLAs in the violation of recruitment process cannot be ruled out. 3 persons filed a case against irregularities in the recruitment and accordingly an inquiry committee headed by Principal Secretary Home was constituted. Dr. Nimai Chan questioned why the report of the inquiry committee was never made public and did the government consult chairman and other members of the selection committee before it was cancelled. He also alleged that the 3 persons who filed the case in the court were backed by a cabinet minister and demanded the government to clarify that they are now given jobs in education department. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh and former Minister N. Mangi said the present government must resign on moral ground as the government is not aware of what it is doing. Mangi also added that the wrong decision of the government may lead many youths to take the wrong path.
DPC board members qualified natraga under the pressure of some persons moigi instruction da qualified hangbai aba question namane chairman hoiba board ki member bu thabak kayamna moigi power exercise to ngam dese. This is a question to be asked. Adu ordi moigi chairman natra board members kauraga si candidate se qualified wehlu si candidate se bye yawlu Hi, Basibu, Hiram Mui guys, he mayam Taze Bigadro. See under the instruction from the higher authority, some office. So the unqualified or a candidate or qualified will have said. Madrigi Wigadabuni have said, I challenge.
A meeting of booth level committee of the projected BJP candidate of Sagalbal constituency, G. Satyapati, who is the former director of Social Welfare Department and current member of Central Social Welfare Board under Ministry of Women and Child Development, was held at her residence at Sagalbal Mainolarak today. Speaking at the meeting, G. Satyapati alleged that the Congress government, which has ruled the state for such a long time, has kept the people of the state at its mercy. She also took jibe at the improper implementation of National Food Security Act and also termed the present crisis of recruitment of police constable as making the chairman of the selection committee a scapegoat.
Sathariba constable ki requisition phajana tawre return tawre lamjen jen gre bhaiba bosi tawraga pangthok liba parikha sibu la le hena kakpaside isana suya yaningde chairman du da bali gi hameng oina na baidamta thadokpane na ithamningi police law matamda candidate oina APR tawdaba bhawda parikha da yawi ga haiba khabar da pangtheng thengnagi sumra lanbra haiba du de khoi matam du da sijalude hawjik phajana haido parikha mi family lising ani rom gi awa se kanim ta ubidana sarkar na thabat lam kakthat pase nungaite ngasimak so koina lana yaurami DPC member DPC gi phajana procedure ka anga amde gai ba se aduga mark phangami phangamde masi thajaningai karim ta oide.
BJP Manipur Pradesh today organized a one-day political conference at Purum Pangal Tabi in Imphal East. President of BJP Imphal East District Mandal Committee Muhammad Abdullah, Vice President of BJP Kisan Morcha Dr. KSH Kala and General Secretary of BJYM Okram Premjit among others took part in the political conference. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation Seram Sunil today alleged that around 11,000 quintals of rice grain meant for APL families of Kesamthong constituency for 4 years have been withdrawn, but they were not given to the beneficiaries. Speaking to media persons at a press meet held at GM Hall, Mayor Seram Sunil said during an investigation initiated following complaints against non-availability of PDS rice, it has been found that agents have withdrawn the PDS rice quota for February and March and even submitted utilization certificates. On the other hand, Kesamthong MLA had also submitted a written complaint to DSO that rice quota for February and March have not been received. Mayor Seram Sunil questioned how the agents withdrew the rice quota when MLA had no idea about it. He also added that no APL families of the constituency have received any PDS items since the incumbent MLA was elected 4 years ago. Questioning how long will the people go on ignoring the malpractices indulged by Kesamthong MLA, Mayor Seram Sunil demanded that all the 7,000 beneficiaries of the constituency must be given NFSA cards and also open qualified fair price shops for the implementation of the Act.
Sahi mari se 48 na puri ragadi Quinton 10 6 5 6 kota si gi masing si punna masih Kesamthong gi MLA na lathok ra ko ne masi si prajada am da chor chok yodi January gi na te he vote kar ko degi ko ji bo still additional quota ina amalai April gi sina 301 sini aduga ko gi sugar gi ko gi kano se masing se sina malli da sam ga kun ne ba kayam kuina simana to hon gi sige ha bi da Kesamthong gi aduna next la ka da food security si su taugadabo ke mawang mandana ngasi media gi mamangda akhoi mayor ma oina yam simple loina koi praja khangna sun oina chingdore sin jam.
GSC against the construction of power substation at Yaripok High School has threatened to boycott Wangkhem MLA Kesam Meghachandra if the construction of the power substation in the compound of Yaripok Added High School is not halted. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, GSC convener Khetrimayum Ito said students of the school have been staging hunger strike for the past 3 months against the construction, but the authorities have turned a deaf ear to the students' request to hold the construction of the power substation in the school compound.
School sipu ekoi gi muthalege matagum angang singda thitan toba adegi loina na nomam su MLA mana class to jalaga kari haige bu noi Bangalore da Delhi da tamma yadra noi sugumba school sita like tamba lai si noi kadau lai no lakano loina nai na power service station size da karigumba noi na ye patadi aina commando changwa thadra ga noi phone gani noi matung dei di noi school kar kanu aduga lam henganu ain haibisida noi yadraga di noi sei jajani sugumba chhatra chhatri singda mana yamna lujadaba wahi sijan bache masi JCM ju chhatra sing amjung garjan singna yamna pen daba lai.
Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Govindas Konthaujung today stated that products from duck breeding farms set up by the department at Lafanpat will be made available from next month. Minister Govindas Konthaujung, who inspected the duck breeding farm today, also inaugurated a hatchery unit which can hatch 15,000 eggs at a time. Speaking to media persons during the visit, Minister Govindas also added that the duck breeding farm will give benefits to many educated, unemployed youths of the state. There are plans to open similar duck breeding farms in other districts if the project is successful. Minister Govindas further maintained that poultry farm constructed at Khumbong will be inaugurated very soon.
Naharon singna in hijacking body. Economic activities sida koi karena my own sanction ba matau oire ngasidi kai norka economy freedom phangna ba development haiba aduga develop tawba country haiba natraga state ama haiba si economy independence phangaba economy gi phibam sida phagalakwa matam du khakta da akoi matam mangwa pamau rakani aduga akoi free da lining la oi aduga akoi economy si isana phagana na ba no madai 500 rupees natraga 1000 rupees ta anta ragadi no ma se koi sumang ma haning oi ba adu khwai degi laibak thiri badi akoi gi ban nam sung blockade se asina laibak thiba ma de khoi Manipur sta oi haleba.
The people of Langthapal have decided to withdraw the boycott of Langthapal MLA Karam Sham. Divine Life Club Langthapal in a press release said, as the MLA has not responded to the decision of the club to boycott him, the club will not participate in the program of the MLA. Apunba Iraibak ki Maheroi Sinpang Luk AIMS today demanded withdrawal of the order approving teachers of 12 added colleges by flouting norms within September 10, failing which AIMS will begin intense agitation against the order, including closing down of Education U office. Speaking to media persons at his office located at Kwakathel Girls High School, AIMS President Rajesh Yumnam said the order issued by the Secretariat High and Technical Education Manipur on July 26 is unacceptable as it has created animosity among the teachers because of the biased attitude shown to different colleges by the authority concerned.
College kharadana irregular oina post allocate tawba aduga college kharadana subject amata pandana masing oina allocate tawba hariba order khuthok asi ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯁꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 10 ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯏꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯅꯤ
Kangleipak Students Association KSA has demanded announcement of the results of the interview for lecturer/assistant professor in Manipur University of Culture. The student body in a press release said if the selection is done unfairly, it would protest against the university. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
LM Dental Care. On the occasion of 3rd anniversary celebration, free dental checkup on 28 August 2016 from 8 AM to 4 PM. Up to 30% off on treatment charges from 28 August to 30 September. LM Dental Care, Uripo Canteen Corner, first floor above Axis Bank ATM booth, opposite Iboton Sana School. Open heart surgery now in Manipur, only in Sky Hospital. Announcing free open heart surgery for children led by Dr. L. Shamkishore, Chairman and Chief Cardiologist, Sky Hospital. Operation on 3rd and 4th September. OPD on 3rd September by Dr. Ajay Kaul, who has performed over 15,000 heart operations. For more details, please contact reception Sky Hospital.
Lengson Birau, Thangmaiban DM College Road Talaiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani. Loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari. Ngasi maglengson Birau, Eastern Suzuki, Thangmaiban DM College Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Unified Academy, Kwakathil Bazaar, Airport Road.
I'm Sophia Warapon from Wangoy. My state rank list is 7th in the 2016. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the teachers of the Unified Academy.
I'm Ramon Roma. I got 10th position. For this, I would like to thank all the teachers of Unified Academy.
I'm Sungkham Premkumar Singh. I stood 27th position in this 2016. I would like to give my full credit to this Unified Academy for their support.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupi Lop, Khurai Konsam Laikai Chaukat Khongthang Nupi Lop, and Ipo Mapal Mairapabu Lop jointly organized a one-day discussion on crime against women and role of mothers in preventing them at Kongba Irong, Mitin Sanglen, Khurai Konsam Laikai. Speaking to media persons, Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupi Lop General Secretary Nongthombam Ongbi Radharani said many women suffer due to increasing crimes against women and the menace of drug addiction.
Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupi Lumna Haukiba Matam Dasu Aikoigi Laikai Adegi Tangnariba Laikai Sida Aikoi Restaurant Kaya Tingjai Degi Aikoigi Nisai Oliba Kayama Tingjai Masipuna Mase Akoi Topi Haidana Hanzal Kaya Han Haizaki Adubu Kunaya Sida Aikoigi Sakti Aikoigi Nupi Singtagi Oiba Sakti Tauna Adu Minasi Haidana Aikoi Sinzarakpani Aikoi Yaragadi Aikoi Ngasi Lamdam Sida Lairiba Ibung Ipa Amadi Isi Isan Mayam Singasina Wakan Taminare Hairaga Aikoi Nisadagi Lapona Bahonasi.
School students in Thoubal formed human chain today demanding undisturbed education. They also expressed disapproval of Band blockade affecting education in the state. The Assam Thoubal District Committee initiated a protest held on National Highway 102, that is Imphal More Road, near Thoubal Wangmataba Devi Mandop from 12:30 to 1 PM. Students of several schools in the district took part in the protest.
Ngasi Manipur da banama sung blockade na leibak praja miyam loina na satra satri singda kaiba kya piriba asigi bayok tang asi Thoubal Desam Committee na pullaga satra satri kaya amaga loina na ariba human chain asi semjabani aikoina human chain asi semjari bagi sarkar da thamjaningi badi banama sung blockade na sarkar ga miyam ga langdai na famoi bigano loina na karigumba atumba tamda sarkar na banama sung blockade ngakthok janaba anoba thoksil uthokpi dragadi Desam gi makata ba agitation kya ama sansanjar.
District Transport Office Thoubal located at Thoubal Arangthong was set on fire by unidentified miscreants this morning around 7:30. The fire has destroyed important documents, computers and printers kept in 7 rooms of the office. Computer sets kept in the room of District Transport Officer have been completely destroyed by the fire. The fire tender of Fire Service Thoubal tried to put off the fire. Thoubal police personnel rushed to the spot to take stock of the situation. A petrol container and bread used by the miscreants to burn the office were found near the office. An employee said the chowkidar of the DTO retired in March this year. The miscreants burned the office while some staff of the office were having tea. Thoubal police has registered a case. Members of Thongju Block Congress Committee have decided to support Sanjeeva Vaikom, who is the MPCC Vice Chairman, in the upcoming Assembly election 2017 in Thongju Assembly constituency. The committee in a press release said the decision was taken at a meeting held yesterday at Kakwa Thongbam Lairak. Manipur State Panchayat Parishad took serious note of disqualification of members of Imphal East Zilla Parishad, Abdul Salam, T.S. Ibomcha and Archana Das by Manipur government and warned of starting intense agitation if the government does not revoke the decision. Manipur State Panchayat Parishad today staged a sit-in in front of Panchayat Bhavan Porumpad condemning the disqualification. Members of Panchayati Raj Institution, Imphal East and staff of Manipur State Panchayat Parishad took part in the sit-in and demanded immediate revocation of disqualification of 3 members of Imphal East Zilla Parishad.
Elected amoina grassroots level the work toribuni adu high elected ma'am sing sida akogi karigumamta have the prior notice kumba natraga maram jaba notice or even my explanation ko natraga singuma ma'am sing si hadi matam Shana Pidana, we don't be at the Sakana, Makha Tabani, or Gasu, Masingum Data, Bandu Tobuse, Masi, Yaning de Makataba, Karimda, Tabi Tragati, Akana Voina, that Libertary Contra, hiding in the Missy that we Mayangi Oiba, Achoba Mipum, Pamaga, Makata, Sanction of Sem Sagani.
Managing Director of Manipur Golden Travel Motors, Kulwant Singh Chima, has refuted the allegation that the MGT Motors has been smuggling narcotic substance into the state. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Kulwant Singh Chima said the MGT Motors have been engaged in transport business since 1925. He maintained that during this long period of time, the MGT Motors was never involved in any activity that may harm the society. He expressed surprise at the allegation made by Maoist Communist Party against the company. Kulwant Singh stated that MGT Motors is engaged in commercial vehicles and never smuggled narcotic substances into the state. It may be recalled that Maoist Communist Party Manipur had alleged that MGT Motors had smuggled narcotic substances and asked for the company's clarification.
1925 Manipur da family lerega badram aduma badram kana supidna handak badram kame tor egi entire team esi lai the driver lere logistic ki lere sales manager lere finance ki lere workshop ki lere low and team more than 300 company nasi. This is not a proprietorship firm. Handak ki nasi ki tagpur mari ki badram piwa hon baza adu koi yari ha ani de ki mohine khoda koredi kai kidam da egi entire staff da entire team da any amada chalo no managing director da pau biro or no amad or reti haba.
With the aim to provide latest dental care facility to the people of Manipur, City Hospital and Research Institute today launched City Dental Clinic. The clinic is located in Chingmairong and will have latest sophisticated dental equipments with specialist doctors available for dental patients. Speaking to media persons, MD of City Hospital, Dr. T. Bilasani said the hospital has better infrastructure in medical care, and with the addition of the dental clinic, patients can now easily avail dental treatment. There will be 3 dental specialists along with nurses and attendants. She said earlier they had to refer to other hospitals for dental treatment, causing inconveniences to the patients. She also said with the addition of the dental clinic, City Hospital and Research Institute is now catering to every medical need of the patients.
Gynae section, pediatric section, surgery, medicine, gastroenterology, urology, ENT, aduga hojik anobo ina hangdo iba dental infrastructure myam phajana leijare operation theater matik chana lei khogi new technique ki oiba instrument sing su loina mak lei aduga loina na handak hangiba dental gi hospital clinic simadi yamna sophisticated oiba kwaidagi modern oiba khulai loin leire ina satawi mayam punamakta koi hospital sina kanaba prajagi damakta pibangamgane na.
Now news from the world of sports. In a match of the M. Ibobi Memorial First Division League tournament played today, DOAK Andro beat Star Club Moirang Kampu 1-0. Saiboy Waifei netted a lone winning goal for DOAK Andro in the 3rd minute of the match. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. PRYA Khundrapam and Nesu Khurai will play in the 3rd league match tomorrow. YOSC Khurai trounced PYA Kairang 3-0 in a match of the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament played today. KH Tondonba netted 2 goals while H. Sele scored 1 goal for the winning team. UPSA Pukhao will meet UPAA Kiamgai in the 7th league match tomorrow. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. Football grassroots leaders course for women began today at the meeting hall of All Manipur Sports Association. 20 women trainees from various districts of the state are participating in the course organized under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. AFCA license holder H. Abadevi, NIS football coach T.H. Tomba and grassroots leader L. Sanjit will give training to the participants on how to coach the girls from 6 to 8 years, 9 to 10 years and 11 to 12 years. AMFA President S. Sanatomba and members of the association attended the inauguration of the course. Yai School Athletic Club and Sai RC Takil won their respective matches in the 23rd El Sangeeta Devi Memorial First Division Football League tournament today. In the first league match played today, Yai School Athletic Club beat Wafa Wangoi 1-0, while Sai RC Takil defeated SCK Kodompokpi 3-0 in the second league match. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association at SKYC Awang Sekmai. People today accorded a grand welcome to 4 Manipuri hockey players who took part in the Rio Olympics as they touched down in Imphal International Airport at 2:45 in the afternoon. Relatives and well-wishers garlanded Indian women hockey team captain Pukhrambam Shushila of Thangmaban Hijam Diwan Lekai, T.H. Anuradha of Bisnupur, K. Chinglensana of Khongman Basikhong and K.H. Kothajit of Khurai Larigengbam Lekai as soon as they came out of the airport. Before we wind up this bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Former JCRPS convener Khomdram Ratan remanded to judicial custody for 15 days. Education Minister Ratan Kumar says fund constraint prevents development of schools and colleges. BJP alleges involvement of Congress ministers and MLAs in violation of recruitment process. And people threaten to boycott MLA Meghachandra if construction of power substation in Yaripok school compound is not halted.